Hey, Poonam here, and this video focuses on creating a looping animation in Articulate Storyline. Now, looping animations are perfect when you want your learner to focus on a particular screen element. Storyline fortunately provides a simple way to create looping animations. Let's see how. Now, the first thing you need to do is create an animation. So, in this instance, we'll draw a rectangle. And choose the wheel option as the entrance animation. Now let's duplicate this rectangle so that we have two rectangles, rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. To create an animation loop, we will change the state of rectangle 2 to hidden. Next, we will set the visibility timings of the two rectangles. Now we will add a trigger stating that rectangle 1 needs to hide when the entrance animation gets completed. We will add another trigger stating that rectangle 2 needs to be normal or visible when the entrance animation linked with rectangle 1 gets completed. Now let's see what happens. As you can see, our loop is incomplete. So we will head back to the trigger panel and add two more triggers, stating that when the entrance animation on rectangle 2 is over, the state of rectangle 2 needs to be hidden. We will add one more trigger stating that when the entrance animation on rectangle 2 is over, the state of rectangle 1 needs to be visible. Now let's check again. Our looping animation is working fine now. So to conclude, states and entrance animations are all that you need to create looping animations.